What are they, Mr. R?
Look what we got, Dave. Look what we got, Dave. Yeah, go on. Some goodies, haven't we, Dave? You've got some goodies, haven't we? Yeah.
We've just arrived at the air for the evening. It's very cold. Mr. R's just filling us up with water. It looks like a penguin. Doing a penguin there. Morning.
Ooh.
Another cold morning. So we're just leaving Olite.
Olite? Olite.
Great little stopover, brilliant little air. Just like 2 minutes walk into town. It's
perfect.
got drop and everything here. So we've spent 4 nights here. Really, just
it's free.
It's so cold.
It's free.
So we've been off grid. So really, we've been off grid 6 nights because we didn't have any electric at Biscross, did we? So we've got to fill up as eco deltas.
EcoFlow, yeah.
EcoFlow, yeah. So they're plugged in on the alternator charge. That's a game changer, isn't it?
It is a game changer, yeah. I'll probably show it later.
Yeah, you ought to, 'cause we've got 2 Delta 2s now. As you saw, we can make coffee and everything with it, so that's always a bonus.
I haven't put it on yet.
Well, you can put it on this one.
Yeah, will do. I'll put it on.
So yeah, it's been a good buy, EcoFlow, and we're not what you called it. We don't get paid for telling you anything. We just tell you as it is.
No, we bought them for our own.
For his own use.
Yeah.
All done. So yeah, the alternator charge does a great job though. But Mr. R can tell you
It's a
about
great
that.
bit of kit.
It's a blue.
Absolutely brilliant.
It's a blue job. Talking of blue jobs, we need to go and drop.
Yes. Right, we're going to do it now.
So as we said about the EcoFlow, I'm not sure if you can see this. It's filling it up, it's charging it up as we're driving, and we're on 800 watts going into it to refill it.
Yeah, 800 watts going into it. That's on the so basically charging off the battery. This alternator charger, the EcoFlow alternator charger. It's great.
See how long it takes to charge. And that's where we are.
Well, it's at 40%, so it's going to take 59 minutes to charge. So
then we can flip it over to the other one.
Yeah, charge the other one just in case we, for some reason, we haven't got electric at the next stop.
Hey up, Mr. R's doing a bit of cleaning. Isn't he clever? I didn't think he knew how to do that. Just get some fuel. It's very windy, so he's just cleaning the windscreen while we get filled with fuel. It is good how they fill it. I don't know why it's not squeegeed it off. I shall tell him. Squeegee as well? At the top? There. That's better. Look at that smile. Catch you in a bit. Not sure what he's doing, but he's got a naughty grin on his face. We shall wait and see. Well, I don't know why we don't have things like this in the UK, really. That's a great idea for just washing your windscreen. Maybe it's because they actually fill it up for you. So it's serviced, isn't it? So you've actually got time to wash your windscreen. Right, now I can see why he's got a naughty grin on his face. rubbing his belly. What are they, Mr. R?
Woohoo! Look what we got, Dave. Look what we got, Dave. Yeah, got some goodies, haven't we, Dave? We just got some goodies, haven't we? Yeah, I've got some goodies for tonight, haven't we, Dave? Yeah.
He's bought
I
Chris.
didn't see the thing on the end.
Well, we noticed that. Doing half a job.
Look.
Oh,
Yeah, you see.
Oh, we've got some garlic dip as well.
Yeah, you see, you like them, don't you? Yes.
Yes. Well, good job, Mr. R. You've done a great job with the windscreen.
Do you like that?
Even the lady was pointing to you.
I never saw the thing on the end.
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Great castle over there, but look, I'm not sure if you can see it. Snow on them there hills.
Snow on them there hills.
Look how clean his windscreen is. Mr. R did a great job.
Thank you very much.
Well
Thank you very
done.
much.
Well done.
I thought so.
We've just arrived at the air for the evening. It's very cold. Mr. R's just filling us up with water. It looks like a penguin, doing a penguin dance. I'm not getting out. It's too cold to get out. Yeah, great dancing skills. Tap dancing. But yeah, the view looks okay. Not sure if you can see the... castle. Walls. So yeah, gonna get sorted. No, stop dancing. He's not dancing anymore. He's wanting the water to hurry up.
Morning. We're at a P Verde air, which is in Albarracin. I'll put it on. But yeah, it's about 30 odd spaces here, electric, and it's €14 for the night. But yeah, check that out. It's like that's the only thing. There's I think it's like a play school or a play group or something there, so it might be a bit noisy with the kids or whatever. Bit of a playground. Ooh, little people, no. But yeah, look at the view. Nice place. We didn't go into the village. And last night it got down to -6, which was pretty cold, to be fair. But we were all wrapped up. But I mean, this morning, sun's out. The sun is lovely and warm, no breeze, brilliant. So we're moving on, and we'll catch you on the road. Yes, dun dun dun. The temperature is in double figures.
Yay!
10 degrees. 10 degrees.
We found the sun.
Jesus.
It only took a week.
Wow. Clear sky. Well, there's a few clouds.
Not much.
The sun is out, and it's saying 10 degrees.
And we're about
Wowza.
an hour from Murcia, just less than an hour.
Yeah.
It certainly makes a big difference to the -6 this morning.
Yeah.
-11 with the wind chill.
It does.
It's tropical.
Froze my gonads off this morning.
Did take lunch.
Yes, it was cold. So yeah, so we'll catch you shortly.
Sod's law, isn't it? We're going to an air to do all his admin and his washing, and it's going to be nice.
Well, it's supposed to be getting warmer later on in the week, isn't it? So
Yeah.
might see how it warms up. We might venture off to a beach.
Oh, you want to go to the seaside?
Might do, yeah. If it gets a bit warmer.
You might go for a swim. You might see him in his speedos.
I don't think so. I wouldn't wear bloody speedos in this weather.
Don't wear bloody speedos at all, I hope.
No, I wouldn't. No, this body is not built for speedos.
I don't know, it's not that bad. Right, catch you hopefully when it's even warmer.
Yeah, catch her at our next stop. Laters. So we're back here again. Coffee machine once you do your washing. Loads of washers. I can't remember how much it is. I'll have to ask Mrs. R. Pay on card. All pay on card. Merry Christmas. Come on, 2 minutes to go. Pretty good though. Ever so handy. And the air is just there, look. So there we go, that's the laundry. There's a dog thing there. You can proper dog wash and do all your washing for your dog. Blankets and everything. So I'll quickly show you the air. That's the view. It's the beast. Beast all parked up. Somewhere to sit out and have your coffee. Some bays there. And there's a drop. Basically everything you need. Say hello, Mrs. R.
Hello.
I've been and done all the washing.
Oh, you are absolutely full of poo.
You're right, I've done it. I've done it now. I've done it, Dave, you're okay. My work is done. See you later.
I've done 5 lots of washing. All the rugs, everything.
Done everything, haven't you?
And I'm now doing tea, so I've got you to fetch over the clothes from the dryer. Did you fold them?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very good.
Thank you.
And that's where we are. Look, there's a sticker. That's the toilet block. There's showers. I think showers are
€1 for 7 minutes.
€1 for 7 minutes. But we've got no change, have we?
Nope. I like our shower.
And there it is.
All good stuff.
Right. Well, shall we catch you later, Dave? Laters.
I'm just doing tea.
All right. I'll finish it off in a minute. Morning.
Morning. Can't see it. I'm going to have to turn out the light.
Yeah. Look at the sun.
So we're I'm knackered.
I know.
Spent 2 days doing all his washing. Absolutely brilliant. It's not a sightly site.
No.
It is a car park as such. All secure and everything, but
Yeah, it's all fenced off, look. And whatever.
but it's got the best washing machines and facilities ever. Ever.
Yes.
It is. It's just great.
Doggy washed a lot.
Yeah. Brilliant dryers.
Cehegín, is it?
Cehegín?
Cehegín,
Yeah.
Cehegín. North of Murcia. I'll put it all on as usual, that's the thing. But
Yeah, even look, even cut my hair, look.
oh, Vidal.
Baboon.
Yeah, so we're heading off today. So we're going to, I'm just looking because I can't remember. Caravaca de la Cruz. There's a bit of a park up there. It's a small car park.
It's a medieval town
Yes,
with a basilica.
yes. So we're gonna try there, and if not, we're gonna head down to Vera Beach because it's supposed to be getting warmer. So it should be. When is it? 20 degrees in about a week's time.
About next Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. And
Yeah.
we're Saturday today.
Yeah. So that's the plan. Caravaca de la Cruz, and then if that's full, Vera Beach. But we'll see. You never know. So we'll catch you on the road. Adios, amigo.
Don't think we're going to sleep too well tonight. But hey ho. The view's still nice.
Are you all right, Dave? Are you a bit warm? So you need to slow down a bit, mate. Don't you? Need to slow down a bit. Well, that was a bit pants, wasn't it?
That was rubbish. I was really looking forward to my
I know.
gig.
I know.